Do you know what the worst thing is about being afraid of failure? It's not that you might fail. It's not even that people might laugh at you. The worst thing about being afraid of failure is that in trying to avoid failing, you stop growing. Because when you're afraid of trying something new and you're afraid of stepping outside of your comfort zone, then you're never going to adapt to the world around you. And when you stop adapting and growing, then everything else stops too. You stop moving forward in life. You stop learning new things, meeting new people, having new experiences. And what happens when all those things stop? Well, your life stops happening too. Hey, it's Matt Sherman, life coach, and quest giver for geeks and gamers. I know what you're thinking. Life coach, come on, man, that's not very geeky. Well, hold on, I get it. I've been there too, but I've got something that will really absolutely change your life like it did mine. And if you're a geek or gamer, then everything I'm about to tell you applies double or even triple to you because you know this, but you just haven't acted on it. So if you're ready for something game-changing, then keep watching and hit like and subscribe when you've gotten some insight. All of us fear change at some level, and as a result, we miss out on opportunities to grow, to learn, to evolve. And when we get stuck in this mindset, it can be very difficult for us to make progress in our lives. So how do you get unstuck? How can you overcome that fear of failure that's disguising itself as lack of motivation? Well, the answer lies in understanding your beliefs and adopting a growth mindset rather than a fixed mindset. This comes from Carol Dweck in her book, Growth Mindset. So the fixed mindset is that you're born with a certain level of intelligence and talent, and that's it. The growth mindset is your intelligence and talent can be developed through hard work, good strategies, and help from others. People with a fixed mindset believe that they are who they are and they can't change. This might even mean that they think they're naturally smart or not smart, attractive or not attractive, talented or not talented, and so on. People with a fixed mindset often believe that people have a set intelligence and talent and qualities that they cannot change. Fixed mindsets in this way are like poor role-playing game mechanics. Imagine if you were playing your favorite RPG and you started out the game at level 1, and at that level you only have a few skills, right? You can't talk to animals, you can't jump very high or run very fast, you don't have any powers. But then imagine that as you continue to play the game, you level up, right? By getting XP, by getting experience. And your character becomes stronger and faster and smarter, but they also acquire new skills. Maybe at level 5, your character learns to breathe underwater or how to fly or something. They also get more hit points and mana that they can use to heal themselves when they're injured in battle. So now, imagine that instead of improving your stats and acquiring new skills as they leveled up, the character was stuck with the same stats and skills at every single level. Wouldn't be much fun, would it? But people with fixed mindsets are like that. They believe that whoever they are is set in stone and it cannot be changed. But things do change, right? It's really important that you understand this, because if you have a fixed mindset, you'll be afraid of change. You won't want to try new things because you'll be afraid that failure will make you look stupid, because with a fixed mindset, failure is a reflection of your identity, not the skills that you have or have not learned. So you won't take any new risks or try new things or step outside of your comfort zone because you're afraid of failure. And it's those very things that stop most people from achieving great things in their lives. You know, they're too afraid to fail, so they don't even try. Does that resonate? So those who succeed in life are actually, they're often not just not afraid of failure, but they're not even thinking of it as an option. Failure is a part of the journey towards success. It's where they learn what doesn't work and how to do things better the next time. And if you're not making progress towards meaningful goals, then you won't be motivated to do anything. The first step is to recognize that when your brain is telling you something is impossible, like I could never learn how to be more social, or there's no point in even trying because I'll never be good at it, or I'm awful at managing money, I might as well not even try. That's a sign, right? The next step is to recognize that those limiting beliefs are not helping you. They're just holding you back, and reprogramming them, right? Tell yourself, I'm going to learn how to hold a conversation, even if it doesn't work right away. Or I'm going to pick up a book on how to have a better mindset around money, so I can learn how to think about it properly. And if you open yourself up to this vulnerable, aspect to yourself and know that you can change, it is scary, but you will make progress. And if you're ready to take the next steps in this challenge, I hope that you join my No More Fear of Failure course. It's a mini course, and it gives you all the tools you need to overcome your fear of failure and change your life for the better. So go ahead and click on the link in the description below, or you can go to nomorefearoffailure.geekpsychology.com. And remember, as always, keep up the lifelong questing. Peace.